How to pay hotel on Agoda. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can pay for hotel on Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing is you'll need to make sure that you have the Agoda app. You can get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you have the app, you can open it up. Make sure that you're logged into an account. After that, you will then need to just select for your destination. So it should be right around here. You can find a destination. And after you find a destination, you can simply choose any hotels there. So let me just choose a location here. So yeah, you can find different locations. You can find hotels. You can find flights for that very location as well. And after you find a hotel that you'd like, so let's say that I like the one on the first. Now after I find the hotel that I like, I'll just tap on see all rooms, and here you'll see an option to book a hotel. Now tap on book pay at hotel. After tapping on that, it should take me to another page. So here I will need to just choose these options. Now I'll just have to put in my payment methods and stuff like that. After doing that, all I then need to do is tap on book now and pay with the payment method. And that's how you pay for a hotel on Agoda. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care.